ready to unlock the full power of your Chime card and start managing your money like a pro. Let's dive right into the activation process. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Chime mobile app installed on your smartphone. You can download or update the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're in the app, look for the Activate Card option. It's usually prominently displayed on the home screen, or you might find it under the Settings or Account menu. Now, the app will guide you to either scan your physical Chime card using your phone's camera, or manually enter the card details like the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. To ensure everything is secure, Chime will verify your identity. This usually involves entering your social security number, answering security questions, or confirming personal information you provided during sign-up. Once your identity is confirmed, you'll receive a confirmation message that your Chime card is now activated. You're all set to start making purchases, paying bills, and enjoying all the benefits of your Chime account. That's all there is to it. Remember to keep your card information safe and secure, and explore the Chime app to discover all the amazing features it has to offer. Happy spending!